Hi guys, this is Biology Buddies and I am Chloe, the presenter. And today I am going to talk about mitosis, the cell division process for the purpose of cell growth and cell repair. So, generally this process occurs once a single cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Now, moving on, we will talk about what happened before the mitosis. So, the phase that happened before the mitosis is the interphase. And so, interphase is comprised of three main phases: the G1 phase, the S phase, and the G2 phase. In the G1 phase, it is primarily for cell growth, and it is the checkpoint stage before DNA replications. And in this G1 phase, it involved cell growth, organelle duplications, the synthesis of proteins like the proteins that is needed for the DNA replications will be synthesized, and there will also occur the ATP productions. Secondly, the S phase will take place, and this S phase is for the DNA replications. Oh, one important thing is that you guys should know what DNA replications process is. And if you haven't known it yet, then you could check out our YouTube video about DNA replications in the playlist of chapters 2 and 7. And you should know this process, DNA replications, as clearly as day, because this process is crucially important in our IB courses, and it will frequently be on test. Then there will occur G2 phase, and this G2 phase is the checkpoint stage before cell divisions. And in this phase, the copied DNA is checked for mutations, and the DNA appear as uncondensed chromatins, and also the final metabolic reactions will occur here. Then also the cell enlargement too. Now let's talk about their main stage, the mitosis. So in their mitosis, it is consisted of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And so the abbreviations of it, or we could say the mnemonic of it, is PMET, which stand for the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, as I just listed before. And so now let's first have a look at their prophase. So in the prophase, the chromosomes will condense and the sister chromatids will form. Then the nucleus membrane disappear, and also the centrosomes move to the opposite sites and release their spindle fibers. Now moving on is the metaphase. So in their metaphase, the chromosomes then being arranged at their equator by their spindle fibers contractions impact on the centromeres of the chromosomes, as you can see in this picture here. Following is the anaphase. And so in this phase, the sister chromatids will be separated to the opposite poles, and now they become single chromosomes. Following up is the telophase. So in our telophase, their spindle fibers will be broken down, and then their nuclear membrane will reappear, and there's chromosomes uncoil. Also, this this process, this phase, the telophase, is prior to the cytokinesis phase, which is the start of the cytokinesis. And yeah, finally, cytokinesis is when their cytoplasms separate and form the two identical cells. Yeah, that's all about the mitosis process, the PMAT, which is the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And lastly is our cytokinesis, the extra one if you want to include it in. And so yeah. Remember that the cell divisions is needed to be controlled, or else the tumors will occur, and the tumors is the uncontrolled proliferations of cells, and tumors could lead to lots of severe cancer. So yeah, it is very crucial and mandatory that there should be something to control cell divisions. And luckily, we have cyclins, which is the proteins, specifically for controlling the cell divisions. And yeah, if you want to know more about how cyclins work, then please check out our cyclins video for more information on the procedure of these proteins and how it works, or its instructions and kind of that stuff. So yeah, I think this is the end of our video for today. And thank you for listening, and see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.